registration number. That $2.99 gives you the license for 2 years, but we give it a commissionable value of 104 Rand. So what does that mean to you, the dealer? Depending on where you are on your commissionable values, you can earn between 24 and 43%. So that's between 25 and 45 Rand per trips sheet sold. But think a little bit laterally here. Think big. How many companies have got hundreds of employees that are needing to have something like this in their offices? Think of speaking to your tax consultant. They must be advising a lot of people on where they can save money. And if you do the maths, considering selling 100 of these in a month, which isn't hard, we've got some of our dealers already selling over 200, 300 a month, you were able to earn in the region of 4,500 Rand just from a once-off sale with this particular product. If you're wanting to go into some large organizations and are needing a little bit more technical advice, there is a corporate version of this product available. Please just send an email to telepreneur@voxtelecom.co.za and we'll get one of our consultants to help you.
Hi everyone, Jack van Wyk. I'm a Vox Super Dealer and I'm going to chat to you today about the Vox Vaya product. Let's just have a look at what we get. It is a value-added service whereby people can make reduced international calls from their cell phones. So there's no registration involved, there's no subscription. They pay local cell rates to fixed line numbers. Now it's important to understand that this product is only to fixed lines overseas and not to cell phone numbers. The question that normally comes up is, do free minutes apply? And the answer is yes. So if you have got a rate from a cell phone company, let's say R1.89, you will pay R1.89 per minute for that call. If you've got free minutes, you'll make an international call for free. So that means that you can phone families overseas for free. Absolutely a wonderful service. And it's very easy to do. How do you use Vox Vaya? You dial 087 805 9000 from your cell phone, follow the voice prompts, and you enter your overseas number. An example would be whatever the number is, and then you start talking. It's a very simple product to use. You as the dealer, because it's a service, you unfortunately don't earn any commission. But once again, you can give it away free to your customers.
Hi there again. This time I'm going to talk to you about Vox Fax, and personally this is a great product which Vox is offering all of us as dealers and also our customers. What is Vox Fax? Well, first of all, it's a fax to email service. Bear in mind it's free, which is the great part of it. Now, fax to email has revolutionized faxing in the last 8 to 10 years in South Africa and around the world. And really what it is, it's a fax number or a unique fax number we issue to anyone who needs faxing. And that number then they put on their business card, letterheads, or market the number as a fax number. People faxing to that fax number, you receive the fax not as a piece of paper on a fax machine, but as an email with a PDF attachment. So one looks at what are the benefits of that? Very simply, it's an email. So you can print the fax, you can forward it as an email to colleagues or friends, or you can store that fax electronically. So now we're converting old traditional fax to an electronic form. And one of the nice features of fax to email is because you're receiving email, you can receive your fax anywhere in the world. So you're not bound by a fax machine connected to a telecom line. Now, when registering your customer, you are going to be asked for their banking details. The reason being is that your customers can also earn a rebate from people faxing them. And so an incentive to them to change and use your fax number that you're issuing them. As a dealer, well, this is obviously the exciting part. Again, it's a product that you can add to your pot in terms of commission. For every minute of fax, you get a commissionable value of 39 cents. i.e., for a 24% commission bracket, that's 12 cents a minute. And if you're on the 43% bracket, that's 17 cents a minute. So let's take an average fax, let's say 3 pages at about 2 minutes a fax. That's effectively 34 cents per fax that you can earn as a dealer. Take one customer, let's say they average at 24 minutes per month in terms of faxing. That's R4.08 you make on average per customer. Take 10 customers, that's R40.80. Think about how much that adds as a free service again, offering to your customer base, and so forth, bringing you lots of commission.
The next product I want to chat to you about is Cell C's controlchat. I'm sure you're all familiar with hearing that term out in the marketplace, but what actually is it? It's a 24-month cellular contract as per normal. The beauty about controlchat is that it's a hybrid, so you can have your 50, 75 or 100 Rand controlchat each month, and if that runs out, you are able to go in and top it up. But we've put a slight twist with this particular product. What we've decided to do, instead of offering a free phone, as most companies do, we've decided to take that customer install bonus, which they use to offer you those phones, and put it back into the contract itself. So if, for argument's sake, you had a controlchat 50, which includes 50 Rands worth of airtime, 25 Rands worth of SMSs, it is only going to cost you 25 Rand from Vox to have exactly the same package as you can get out into the marketplace. Absolutely ideal if you've got kids and you've got old cell phones that you're wanting to pass along and you're not too perturbed about what model or bling that you're actually currently carrying around. Similarly, with the controlchat 75, that's 85 Rands worth of airtime, 25 SMSs that we're bringing to you for only 42 Rand per month. And lastly, the controlchat 100, which has 115 Rands worth of airtime, 100 SMSs, we're able to let you have that for a mere 60 Rand per month. So how much do you earn out of selling these products? With each product, there's a 50 Rand activation fee, plus VAT makes it 57 Rand. But you, the dealer, depending where you are on your scale, between 24 and 43%, can earn anywhere from 25 Rand 50 up to 36 Rand 55 off the activation fee. Once again, do the maths. If you're doing 50 or 100 of these a month, that could be up to 3,500 Rand just for activating Cell C contracts. Over and above that, on the 25, 42 and 60 Rand per month, you as dealers can earn, as you can see up on the screen, anywhere from 3 Rand 42 on the bottom end right up to 6 Rand 79 on the top end of the packages. Once again, it is all accumulative. Think of the bigger picture here. With all the other products we've got, it's an add-on that's just adding to your basket of annuity income each and every month. The next product we want to chat to you about is Vodacom's 3G HSDPA. What is 3G? I'm sure you're all familiar with the term and have heard of it before, but it's a wireless internet connectivity solution that allows you, the user, to have connectivity to the internet wherever you might be. It normally plugs into your notebook, and so if you're on the road or mobile or can't be at the office, allows you to keep in touch with all of the important communication that you need to during the course of your normal business day. The 3G packages come in a number of different size configurations. The bottom of the range is MyMeg 500 megabytes, and that costs 249 Rand per month and is on a 24-month contract. It then goes up the scale to MyGig 1, which is 1 gig of data, and is costing 349 Rand per month. And goes right through the range with the MyGig 2, which gives you 2 gigabyte of data and costs 449 Rand per month. MyGig 3, obviously 3 gig of data, costing you in the region of 649 Rand, right the way up to the top of the range product, which is MyGig 10, obviously giving you 10 gigabyte of data transfer for an amount of 2,049 Rand per month. It is important to note at this stage that all of these are contract-based and go over a 24-month period. So, how much do you as the dealer earn on these particular packages? I'm just going to highlight a couple, but as you can see on a MyMeg 500 at 249 per month, depending where you are on the scale, anywhere between 3 Rand 67 and 6 Rand 57. Right up to the very top of the range, MyGig 10, where you'll be earning 30 Rand 20 per month if you're on a 24% level, right up to 54 Rand 10 if you're up to 43%. The next product we're going to chat about is Vox ADSL. I think it's very important at this juncture